As you can see there, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a BMW 430i X-Drive Grand Coupe. And the whole deal with this one is the customer complaint was a noise, and there's also some smoke coming out of the tailpipe. So this was going to be a video, but due to circumstances that I could not control, it ended up not a video basically, but I'm still going to show you this, bring you along at least with what I found on this vehicle. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be the impossible shot. That is correct. Yep. Seals on that are a goner. The shaft is actually wiggling pretty good, so I imagine the seals are a good goner.